Hello everyone, welcome back to Believer Science Academy. This is topic of the day discussion, and in today's topic we will be discussing a very important topic, that is sovereign AI. What is sovereign AI? Why it is in news? What is India's capability in sovereign AI? It is in news because Denmark has become the latest country to actually pursue sovereign AI in a bid to boost domestic research and competitiveness. Following this example and leveraging the momentum of digital India, India's leadership will be instrumental in driving the nation's sovereign AI ambition. Okay, if a country like Denmark can focus completely on sovereign India, a large country like India can do the same by leveraging the advantages which India has procured from digital India aspects. Okay, so what is sovereign India and what are its various components? Sovereign India refers to a nation's autonomous ability to develop, deploy, and regulate artificial intelligence technologies that align with its unique data, values, and governance priorities. Okay, we all know what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is teaching a particular machine or teaching a particular instrument its own artificial intelligence. That is, the ability of a machines to take decisions on their own. Okay, presently what we are focusing on is, presently what we do is we provide the data, every input data. If you want to know about the like weather, etc., we type what is the weather for today, and then the computer or the mobile phone is going to give you the details of this one. Okay, whereas in artificial intelligence data, if you just say the weather, okay, that then the instrument is going to see what are the weather here and whether you should go out with the umbrella or not, etc. Other decisions can be made by the machine itself. That is artificial intelligence. Okay, data will be filled to the machine or data will be filled to the domain, and then this data will be used for variously to take decisions by the artificial intelligence. Okay, so in sovereign AI, it is the AI or nation's ability to, that is autonomous ability to develop, deploy, and regulate artificial intelligence technologies that is in line with unique data, values, and governance priorities. Okay, so Denmark is trying to do this one, and India should also do this one. It ensures national control over its own AI systems, protecting economic and national security interests while fostering innovation. Okay, so artificial intelligence is a technology of fifth industrial revolution. So normally these new industrial revolution technologies are susceptible for cyber crimes. Okay, so if you are dependent on another country for your strategic benefits such as artificial intelligence in defense, artificial intelligence in economy, etc., there is every chance that that can be misused by the country where you are importing it from. So these technologies, these new age technologies should be developed from their own country, from the very own country which it wants to employ or deploy it for national security. Okay, so sovereign AI helps in this aspect, that is it will help in promoting the economy and safeguarding the national security. Okay, so key features of sovereign AI are self-reliance, that is development of AI systems tailored to national requirements, ensuring minimal dependency on external technologies. Okay, so it is dependent on the national's requirements. Okay, the requirement of India and the requirement of Japan are different. So Japan's sovereign AI will be addressing the issues, or it will be addressing the unique developments of Japan, and India's AI will be addressing the important issues of India itself. Then national security, as I already explained, sovereign AI protects critical data and infrastructure from external threats or misuse. Then cultural alignment, this is a very important aspect, that is it embeds a nation's value, language, and societal norms into artificial intelligence framework. Okay, for example, a sovereign AI developed in Japan or China, they will be focusing more on their own language. For example, in Japan, they will focus more on artificial intelligence based on Japanese language, whereas in China it is based on Mandarin language. Whereas in societal norms also, a Japanese culture will focus mainly on Japanese own culture, that is Bushido clan and Japanese familiar values, etc. And Chinese will be different thing, and Indian will be another different thing. In India, we can implement or we can include the aspects of religion, we can include the aspects of civilizational values, etc., based on our own understanding. And in language also, we can focus on Hindi or any other regional language like Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, etc. And global competitiveness, that having sovereign AI enhances economic growth and innovation through domestic AI capabilities, where it can stand and go head to head with global players. Okay, that is why AI should be, or sovereign AI should be pursued by every big countries or every countries in fact. So about India's proposed AI strategy for India. So it's mainly focused on government AI plus private AI is equal to sovereign AI. So India's strategy is mainly aimed on this one. Okay, so India's proposed AI strategy focuses on leveraging digital public infrastructure or DPI like Aadhaar and UPI to develop government AI for efficient and predictive public services. Okay, so we can connect DPI and government AI. Okay, DPI mainly deals with services which are repetitive in nature. If these repetitive services are aligned with the government AI, then these services can be efficiently done by the AI itself. We don't need to have more personnel for these works. Okay, it will be more efficient with artificial intelligence. Then this emphasizes on data sovereignty, transforming anonymized DPI data into AI training material while ensuring national control. Okay, as I told you, artificial intelligence, you need data input. Okay, data input. As I told you, artificial intelligence works on the data input. These data input will be made by the human beings in the beginning itself. Based on these data inputs and data models, artificial intelligence is going to perform various tasks. So in this India strategy, the data which is present at digital public infrastructure like UPI, Aadhaar, etc., that will be used as a data input for developing sovereign AI. Okay, that will be used as a training material for government AI, along with safeguarding the national security. That is, this data which is used for training the like artificial intelligence, it will not be made public, and it will be kept very private with government or with the individual itself. Okay, so it serves as a dual roles, that is training material as well as safeguarding the privacy of the individuals. Then the strategy promotes public-private collaboration to build domain-specific small language models that evolve into advanced large language models. Okay, initially they are going to develop small language models, then they are going to develop large language models. Examples of large language models are ChatGPT. Okay, so we can develop our own ChatGPT, our Indian own ChatGPT, using this data. Then skill development through regional centers of excellence aims to create a robust AI talent pool. Okay, so this strategy also aims to use the existing infrastructure, that is regional centers of excellence, to train people who are more advanced in artificial intelligence. This strategy aligns with India's vision for becoming a global leader in trusted and inclusive AI, enhancing economic growth and national security. Okay, then so in this regard, what have been the initiatives taken by government to achieve sovereign AI? The initiatives for sovereign AI builds on its Digital India framework, that is leveraging platforms like Aadhaar and DigiLocker to create government AI for efficient public services. I already discussed this before, but just extra DPI include Aadhaar, UPI, DigiLocker, etc. It utilizes digital public infrastructure platforms like Aadhaar, UPI, DigiLocker, and CoWIN to create data input. Then it is also focusing on domain-specific AI models that India seeks to build. It builds small language models for specific public services in the area education, healthcare, agriculture, and social welfare. Okay, in these small language models, there will be app or there will be any website where you can search about, or you can just ask about a question. Okay, I am suffering from so and so disease. Then that language model is going to give you solutions. It is going to give you certain medications, etc. These are small language models. And in large language models, it is going to go one step beyond, and then there is going to provide more data related to a disease or more data related to how you are able to get the disease or etc etc. Okay, so SLM evolved into large language models for advanced intersectional growth insights. Okay, intersectional governance insights, where it can connect and link between education, healthcare, agriculture, and social welfare, and it can connect between various aspects of these sectors, and it can interlink between them, and it can progressively or holistically focus on growth of the country. So the India database datasets program transforms anonymized data into resources for AI training while ensuring the data sovereignty. Okay, the data remains anonymous, but that will be used as a training material for AI. So this is about sovereign AI and what is India's stand on this and what India is doing to achieve sovereign AI. Okay, so this ends our discussion for today. If you like the video, then please click on the like button, comment on the video, and also share with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. With this, I will end the video. Jai Hind.